Most people think cinnamon is only a spice for cooking, but when you sprinkle it on your plants, something surprising happens. Gardeners have been using cinnamon as a natural plant booster for years, and the results are so impressive that once you understand how it works, you might start using it in your garden every week. What cinnamon does to your plants is simple, natural, and incredibly powerful. The moment cinnamon touches the soil, it begins acting like a natural shield. One of the biggest problems plants face is fungus. Whether it is mold on the soil, white fuzz on the stem, or rot on the roots, fungus can destroy a healthy plant faster than most people realize. Cinnamon is a natural antifungal ingredient. When you sprinkle it on the surface of the soil, it helps stop fungal growth before it spreads. Plants that were struggling with mold often show quick improvement once cinnamon is applied. The soil becomes cleaner and the plant can breathe again. Cinnamon also helps with one of the biggest plant problems, damping off. This is a common issue that affects tiny seedlings. A seedling looks healthy one day and suddenly collapses the next. The stem becomes soft and the plant falls over. This is caused by a fungal infection in the soil. When cinnamon is mixed into the top layer of soil around seedlings, it protects the delicate stems and reduces the chances of them getting infected. Many gardeners love this trick because it helps young plants survive the most vulnerable stage of their life. Another powerful effect of cinnamon is how it helps cuttings grow new roots. When propagating plants, people usually dip the stem in rooting hormone powder, but cinnamon can work as a natural replacement. When you dip a fresh cutting into cinnamon powder, it protects the cut end from bacteria and fungus, while also encouraging new root growth. This makes cinnamon extremely useful for houseplants, herbs, and even garden flowers. The cutting stays healthy and has a better chance of growing strong new roots. Cinnamon also helps keep pests away. Many tiny pests live in your soil without you noticing. Fungus gnats, for example, love damp soil and lay eggs that hatch into larvae. These larvae chew on roots and weaken your plant. When you sprinkle cinnamon on the soil, the smell and natural compounds help keep these pests away. It does not hurt the plant and it does not harm the soil. It simply creates a natural barrier that pests avoid. Some gardeners use cinnamon around the base of plants to keep ants away too. Ants dislike the scent and usually turn around when they smell it. Cinnamon can also help heal damaged parts of a plant. Sometimes when you trim a stem or remove a branch, the plant is left with an open wound. These cuts can attract bacteria and lead to rot. When you lightly dust cinnamon over the cut area, it works like an antiseptic. It helps the wound dry faster and prevents infection. This is especially useful for outdoor plants that get exposed to humidity or rain. Another surprising thing cinnamon does is help repel outdoor pests. In the garden, insects like mosquitoes, moths, and even some beetles dislike cinnamon. When cinnamon is sprinkled in the soil or around garden beds, it acts like a gentle repellent. It does not harm the insects but encourages them to stay away from the area. This helps protect both the plant's leaves and roots. Cinnamon is also helpful for houseplants that sit in damp environments. Sometimes you overwater a plant and the soil becomes the perfect place for fungus to grow. A light layer of cinnamon on top of the soil helps dry it out in a balanced way. It does not damage the plant. It simply keeps the environment cleaner and safer for the roots. The best part is that cinnamon is completely natural. It is safe for pets, safe for children, and safe for the plants themselves. You do not need large amounts. A small sprinkling on the surface of the soil or a pinch around the base of the plant is enough to see results. Many people are surprised by how fast they notice a difference. Within a week, plants often look fresher, stronger, and more stable. Cinnamon will not replace proper plant care. You still need sunlight, good watering habits, and healthy soil. But cinnamon acts like a simple helper that boosts plant health in multiple ways. It protects, strengthens, and supports your plants without chemicals or expensive products. It is one of the easiest plant hacks you can try at home. If your plants are dealing with mold, pests, weak roots, or slow growth, adding a little cinnamon might be the simple solution they need. It is cheap, natural, and surprisingly effective. Once you see the results, you might start keeping cinnamon as part of your regular plant care routine. Your plants will almost always show you the difference.